Hello, I'm Rachel from Douentza Garden in Ireland, and today I'm going to share with you how to propagate pelargoniums or pot geraniums. Now this is a really easy plant to propagate in spring, late summer or winter. This particular one is called Orange Fizz and I just love it for the zesty orange fragrance from its leaves. I definitely want lots more. Choose a vigorous, healthy shoot and remove it from the plant by cutting above a leaf joint. Your cuttings should be between 3 and 4 inches long, so on the shoot you've just removed, make a straight cut just below a leaf joint. You can discard the plant segment from between the two cuts. It's important to remove all the lower leaves and the stipules from your cutting. Stipules are small, sometimes brown, leaf-like structures at the base of each leaf stalk. If leaves are particularly large, cut them in half. Remove any flower stems. Each cutting needs to have just 2 or 3 leaves, just enough so that the plant can continue to photosynthesize and grow. If there are too many leaves, the cutting will lose moisture and die. Fill a 3-inch pot with free draining compost. Here I'm using a mix of 50% potting compost and 50% horticultural grit. Firm your mix down and make some 1-inch holes around the edge of the pot. 6 holes for this 3-inch pot. Push a cutting into each hole, burying it by 1/3. Water the plants sparingly. Cutting should be kept just moist. Keep your uncovered cuttings, and this is important, uncovered, in a warm, slightly sheltered position. A north-facing windowsill is just ideal. And keep an eye on the moisture levels, ensuring that they stay damp. And when you see new growth appearing at the top, well then you know that your cuttings have struck. Happy growing!